Welcome to Machine Learning. This is a course brought to you by DATAMIND, UK's health data research hub for mental health. And my name is Marcos del Pozo Baños. So in this course, we're going to have three parts. The first one are the pre-recorded lectures, which you will need to watch before the in-person practice session. The second part. In this practice session, we will program some machine learning algorithms from scratch to consolidate our understanding of these algorithms. Finally, we will have an online Q&A session sometime after the in-person practice session for you to have the opportunity to ask any questions you still have after having some time to go through all the material that we will have covered. In terms of the syllabus, we will go through a very quick introduction of machine learning to explain very quickly what machine learning is. We will then put machine learning within the context of epidemiological research and mental health epidemiology. We will then cover some essential mathematical concepts that are necessary to understand machine learning algorithms in full. Again, don't worry, this course is not going to be very mathematically heavy, but I do believe it's important to know some of these concepts in order to gain, as I said, a deep understanding of these models, which I think is necessary to avoid mistakes when applying them to data. We will then talk about different types of data that we can encounter. We will move into talk about how can we partition this data into different groups and the things that we need to consider into different subsets of data and the things we need to consider when we apply this partitioning. Some preparation steps to get the data ready for the machine learning algorithms. We will then move into talk about how machine learning learns, how these algorithms learn from the data. And we will then introduce finally classification algorithms, which is just one arm within machine learning. And we will start talking about different types of classification machine learning algorithms. We will cover decision trees, distance-based classifiers. We will then take a break kind of thing to explain what gradient descent is and how it works. And then we will go back to talk about another two classification algorithms, probabilistic classifiers, and artificial neural networks. And we will finish with some remarks. You will encounter these slides as we go along. These are meant to make you ponder about specific situations, and this exercise will have been designed to help you gain an intuitive understanding about machine learning algorithms and their application to health data. There will be some indicated time to stop and think about these exercises or about these scenarios. You should stop the videos and until you have completed the exercise. And the recommendation is for you to write down your thoughts in each of these exercises, because actually in some cases you may be asked to act or think further into each of the points that you may have written down. So yeah, that would be a good idea. You will also encounter this type of slides where you will be asked multiple choice questions just to check that you are understanding some very important key concepts. If you find yourself selecting the wrong answer, it's okay, don't worry. Go back in the video in the recording and see whether that helps, or you can find for alternative explanations of those concepts online to see whether that helps you understand them. Now, before I finish this welcome video, I just want to thank Katie Miller and Sarah Taksin for their invaluable help in putting these slides together. I mean, you will be looking at way uglier slides without their help, so thank you very much to them.